Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. The Shelf is a comprehensive platform designed to connect brands with content creators for impactful marketing campaigns. They achieve this by fostering genuine, long-term relationships between brands and a diverse network of influencers, emphasizing authentic storytelling and targeted reach. The company prioritizes data-driven insights to optimize campaign performance and ensure measurable results. They offer a suite of tools and resources that empower brands to identify the ideal influencers for their specific needs, manage campaigns efficiently, and track key metrics. This approach allows for data-informed decisions and a focus on achieving tangible marketing objectives. A key differentiator for the Shelf is its commitment to building lasting partnerships. They believe that influencer marketing thrives on genuine connections and shared values. By carefully matching brands with creators who align with their brand identity and target audience, they facilitate collaborations that resonate authentically with consumers. This emphasis on long-term relationships fosters trust and credibility, leading to more effective and impactful campaigns. Furthermore, the Shelf offers comprehensive campaign management services, streamlining the entire process from initial planning and influencer selection to content creation and performance analysis. This comprehensive support allows brands to focus on their core objectives while the Shelf handles the intricacies of influencer marketing execution. Their experienced team provides guidance and support throughout the campaign lifecycle, ensuring a smooth and successful experience. Through this blend of technology, data analysis, and a human-centric approach, the Shelf aims to elevate influencer marketing beyond transactional interactions and cultivate meaningful brand influencer partnerships that deliver lasting results. They strive to connect the right brands with the right voices to create compelling content that resonates with audiences and drives business growth.